Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan and I'm chasing my dream of becoming a profitable day trader. It's only one problem. It's the hardest thing I've ever done in my life, man. But I'm working hard, I believe in myself, I'm journaling, tracking, constantly refining and making improvements. I'm making steady progress and it's getting exciting. Best part is I'm doing it all live right here on YouTube. We're building an awesome community. I'd love to have you be a part of it. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Everything is free for the community. Let's get to it, y'all. Let's go over this trade for the day, or these trades on TPR. I don't have much time, so I'm gonna really just kind of run through this. I think I really like doing the review video at the end of the day instead of right after my trading session, because I've had a lot of time to think about things and, you know, talk to my peoples, and, you know, it just kind of I can approach the review video with a different perspective and talk through more developed thoughts, which helps me a lot more too. Yeah, I've kind of become infatuated with weakness. I realized that by becoming a low of day, by becoming a low of day trader, I've become infatuated with weakness. And I'm constantly trying to find strength. Like, now at the open, when I see green candles and it's moving up, I'm like, like, no, don't go up yet, go down, you know. And that's crazy. It just like, I was thinking about it today, man. And then my guy Alex hit me with the thought, and he was just like, just a thought, man. But I was like, dang, man, I was literally thinking about that today. And yeah, I think there's a lot of things happening right now. You know, I've gotten used to looking at things moving down and not like interpreting that negatively, you know. Like, this is wild. Like, this is a really big move down. Like, this is a very bearish open. Look at the biggest candles are the moves down. You know, you do got this big volume pop right here, but we're well below the opening range now. And it just looks nasty. Like, okay, this is a really nice narrow range candle right here, but it's preceded by a huge push down on volume, you know. And just gotta pay attention, man. Just read. Like, the chart is telling you, bro, I'm weak as heck and I'm going down, and I'm like, all right, where do I enter at? You know, that's all I'm thinking about today. That's all I was thinking about today when I was watching this. Like, where do I enter? I'm looking for the first higher low, and I'm in that thing. And that's cool when it's moving up. Like, if it's uptrending, that's cool to say that. But if it's downtrending, man, it's like, it's different. It's different. And I think there is a great low of day opportunity, but it's like, yeah, it's the low of day, but it just happens to be the low because, like, maybe the first 2 5-minute candles pull back and the second one is more narrow with maybe a bottom tail. Like, maybe that, you know, that's just a quick little pullback. But by the time you're printing your third and fourth 5-minute candle down, bro, it's cooked. It's cooked, and I'm not seeing that. I'm not calculating that. And, you know, I'm taking stabs at these. You know, it's literally in a steady downtrend. I mean, this was a moment. It did make a higher low, but it was after a lower high and a huge push down. Like, this is well over a 50% retracement. Like, this isn't an ideal higher low. You know, if you put the Fibonacci thing on here, bro, it'd be way below the last one. Like, this isn't it. So I gotta kind of check my mindset and not just be like, well, all right, where am I going long? I gotta, like, is this thing doing what I needed to do to take a long position, or is it downtrending? Like, So it's kind of like something I just fell into and didn't really realize it was happening. But I'm like attracted to weak stocks now, and I'm unattracted to strong opens. So we're gonna fix that right away. And then there's another thing that I think is happening with watching only one stock is that limitation is like I have to, like, I'm trying to find a long opportunity. You know what I mean? Because I this is my only option. So I'm like I'm looking at that chart like trying to find the long opportunity. And so I think it makes more sense to watch more than one thing and to pick the best one at the open to trade. Like after the open, like pick one, be like, okay, I'm looking at all of these. It's 5 minutes into the open. This one's moving down. This one's moving sideways. Okay, this one's uptrending. Let's hop on this one and we'll focus on that for the day. I think that's reasonable. And I can still stick to my one ticker per day. And like I think just jump in and then close the charts and just be like, all right, this is our selection based on the most recent data, which is right at the open, and yeah, I think that's a good game plan for tomorrow. Also, 5R is ridiculous. I did take one more trade off the stream. I'm a weak man. I'm still working on myself, Um, I'm pretty patient with myself. Y'all be kind of clowning me, but it takes so many repetitions to fix something that it's like, damn, I did it again. All right, I'm fixing it. I'm working. Next time I won't do it. And you just keep working on it. So, but I 5R is disgusting. Negative 5R is disgusting. I really don't want to see that. Like 2 to 3 swings, man, and it's time to call it. Like my accuracy is at least 30% at best, So if I didn't took 3 swings and struck out, like I'm either trading the wrong stock or I'm just off my game. Either way, it's time to close up shop. No more egregious days. Yeah, but yeah, so that's the game plan tomorrow. I'm gonna try to pick. I don't want to force picks onto the watch list, but if there's like multiple good options, I want to watch those and pick the best from what happens at the open. You know, and I'm gonna try that out. And also, I think I'm gonna chill. I mean, I know in my head a really good low of day setup, but it's not really like low of day. Like low of day to me, when I think low of day, I'm thinking like it downtrended for a long time and then it made a low and then moved up. Like that's low of day. But like a dip at the open before it goes up, like I mean, yeah, it's technically low of day, but that's not how I think about it. That's just like a dip at the open. But yeah, I'm looking for strength. We're looking for strength. I want to attack dips on strength. Dips on strength. So, and I'm leaning on the 5. Super tough, man. The 5 is like I almost want to wait for a trigger on the 5 to look for my entry on the 1. Like I'm waiting for a 5 to close and the next 5 to make a high over that one and then flip to the 1 and be like, what's good, you know? So we'll see, man. I gotta jump off though. I gotta get to this store. It closes at 21:30, so I gotta get out of here. Anyway, appreciate y'all for hanging out with me, being a part of my journey. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Comment down below how y'all did today, man. I love keeping up with y'all and how y'all doing in your journey as well. And I like it when you guys let me know how your day went as well. So please leave me a comment, hit the like button. Discord links in the description. Everything's free. You know how it is. I'm out. Peace.